Hi guys, we're gonna try what they did on Sam and Cat when Sam and Cat got stuck in the pull-out bed.
This is amazing.
Yes. Now Lindsay is going to do it first.
Why?
The oldest go first.
I'm only a year older.
It doesn't
Get that off first. Maybe it's the blankets that. Ow! That's stopping us.
lay sideways.
I want my. Kaylee.
Ow! Don't suck my part now!
You crushed my nose. Okay, you like my butt. Okay, good. Now go. Oh, my pants are down. Kelly, what is on top of me? What the hell? Kelly, I'm slipping.
Throw down there.
Go.
Oh, I almost got it!
Hey, wait, my head. Go. No, I mean, like, go more. Ow. Sebastian will be able to do it. Go, keep going. That's cool. Ow. What was that?
Shh.
What?
Your mom could probably hear us.
Honey, my face is shoved in the mattress. Darling, don't lose oxygen. Ow, ow. That's my organ. Fucking bar.
Oh my god!
Get it out now, get it out now, get it out now.
Oh my gosh! No, cut it.
I don't know how far that a freaking bar went into my head.
You were almost in.
Yeah, I was in pain though. Ah, that bar went behind my ear and it crushed my head. Like it felt like a Barbie doll head. You know when you squish the head? Ah, I swear it was about to explode. I was like, if I die because of a bar exploding, I'm gonna die. I get in. Ah, how far was I? Like how?
You were right in there. All I needed to do was put the cushions in.
You could have put them all in.
You said get it out there.
Yeah, because my head wasn't about to
You
explode.
want to try again?
I don't know. That bar really hurt.
Then do it this way.
Let me try you again, and then we can try me again. Now, why is it doing that? You gotta move back a little. Why is it falling?
Oh,
It's not falling. There you go. Oh my god.
oh gosh, Lindsay.
You have to. Kaylee, you do the
Wait, get up real quick.
I can't get up.
Oh.
What the heck? What?
Whoa! Lindsay, you're crushing me! Put it down! Lindsay, never mind! What the heck? I'm under it. You're crushing me.
I didn't know.
She's gone!
She's gone. What the heck?
She's gone.
She's gone. How did that happen? She's gone.
Someone could get hurt.
Wow. out. Alright, you have to come out now.
She's stuck.
No, she isn't. Okay. Get out. Don't break my berry.
Dang it. That was fun. Go and try it again.
No, my head.
To the point where you were almost there. Just tug like this.
I can't, because then it'll stop it.
You're doing what?
Then it'll stop it.
No.
It might hurt. I have to do it under it now.
How did that happen? That was awesome.
It hurt so bad. Like it hurt to the fact that I couldn't like move. Ow! Ow! Wait! My face is really let me get off. Alright, now. God, I'm gonna die right into the neck. Ow! My face is in the fridge.
Hold on. That dumb bar that you have to put on the floor is blocking it.
Hurry up, I'm flipping.
You're flipping?
I'm flipping. Don't hurry up, you're doing Kaylee, this is what happened last time. Give me up now. Give me up now.
Okay.
That's what happened last time. I slipped and the bar went on my face. Man, alright. Oh well, I got it in. But I did wait. I almost never put the cushions on because I got squished because of my head. Alright, goodbye. I'll be so. Lindsay did it.